Are you ready to transform your bathroom into a modern, luxurious space? At Home Sierra Services, we specialize in top-quality bathroom remodeling right here in Greenville, South Carolina. Whether you're looking for a complete overhaul or just a few upgrades, our expert team is dedicated to bringing your vision to life. From design consultation to the final touches, we ensure every detail is handled with precision and care, making your bathroom not only beautiful but functional as well. At Home Sierra Services, we understand that your bathroom should be a personal oasis. That's why we work closely with you every step of the way, ensuring that your unique style and needs are reflected in the final design. Our team is skilled in everything from custom tiling and fixture installation to lighting and cabinetry. We take pride in our craftsmanship, and our commitment to quality means you can trust us to deliver a space that you'll love for years to come. Don't settle for an outdated bathroom any longer. Let Home Sierra Services help you create the bathroom of your dreams. Serving Greenville, South Carolina, we're here to make your remodeling project seamless and stress-free. Contact us today to schedule your consultation and start your journey toward a stunning new bathroom. Your perfect bathroom is just a call away.